Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Amazon stock 724. Today is it's almost 5 a.m. And as you can see, that's a beautiful double top, or it's an M. This doesn't look good for this stock. I'm studying this first level, second level, and third level. If you are trading this stock today, you should be looking on the downside because as soon as this particular level breaks, it's called head and shoulders. If this level break, we are looking at this level right here. Another ominous sign is this. You see the 1, 2, 3. This is what they call it black cross. It can spare the downside of this stock at some point at probably this level. But it is not a surprise because this stock has enjoyed decent ride since March. So we were expecting some pullback, and there we have it. If you want to add this to your portfolio, you want to wait for this stock to get to that level right here. And if this level hold, then you can buy to the upside. I hope this helps. And be careful trading today. Happy trading.